Come test drive the 2014 Mazda 3. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering, one-touch windows, one cargo area light. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.